Hey, what's up, guys? It's Foster from English no Cru. As you probably know, we are taking a quick break from recording new episodes of English no Cru Rádio because we are focusing all of our time and energy on Sound School. Sound School is our pronunciation and conversation course. It is a conversation masterclass. If you like this show and you are serious about taking your English to the next level, Sound School is the place to be. Because we work personally with each one of our students, we can only accept a limited number of students at a time. So if you're interested in really speaking more confidently, improving your accent, understanding native speakers, and all of that other cool stuff, go to EnglishNoCrew.com to start working personally with me and Alexia. Okay, we will get on with the show after a quick word from our sponsors. Hey, Alexia.
Hey, Foster.
Think about all of the cool stuff you could do in 15 minutes.
Uh-huh.
In 15 minutes, you could run 2 miles.
No.
In 30 minutes, you could walk very fast,
Yes.
maybe.
Yes.
Or you could take a free class with Cambly.
That's true.
Yeah. Tell us about Cambly.
Cambly é uma plataforma online de inglês. Sim, vocês já sabem isso, vocês têm escutado isso todos os dias e eu não sei por que você ainda não foi ter sua aula de graça com o Cambly. Cambly e Inglês de Unicru se juntaram e estão te dando uma aula de graça de inglês. Você vai lá no site cambly.com ou no aplicativo Cambly, no Android, no iOS, qualquer tipo de telefone que você tenha, se inscreva e coloque o cupom Inglês no e cru. E desse jeito você vai ter uma aula de graça. Eu já estou recebendo feedback de pessoas que já fizeram, estão amando e disseram que vão continuar. Então é assim, qualquer nativa de qualquer região, com qualquer sotaque, sobre qualquer especialidade, sobre qualquer coisa que você queira
Alexia,
falar.
there are a lot of cats coming our way.
Gente, são bebês! Oi!
Oh, meu Deus. Okay, Cambly.com. We are getting attacked by cats. On with the show. Oi, fala aí, pessoal. Bom dia. Você está escutando o Inglês no Rádio. I am your host, Foster Hodge. This is your daily dose of English. Hello. Hey, Alexia, what's going on?
Hey, Foster. Here it's okay. What about you?
Yeah, everything's cool here. So, do you know a good response when I say what's going on? Do you understand that?
Yes, I do understand, but I never know how to answer it because it's so informal.
It's really not. It's really not. So, I say it all the time. What's
Your
going on?
brother always say this to me.
Yeah, always says this to me.
Yes, always says this to me.
Yeah, so you can say what's going on, what's happening, what's up, all the same thing. And the best response is not much.
Oh, yeah, not much. What about you?
That's what I always say. Not much. What about you? Yeah. What's going on with you? You can just repeat the
Not
question.
much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the rule I always give my students is when you start with what, if a question is like what's going on, what's happening, what's up, then you can say not much. What about you? And if it starts with how, like how are you? How's it going? How you doing? You can just say pretty good.
Yeah.
How about you?
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
If you want to learn
Got
more
it.
about that, we have an entire episode talking about introducing yourself in English. Can't remember which episode number it is, but you can find it. So today, Alexia, are you ready
Yes, I am.
for the TH sound?
That nowadays I don't have any problem.
We will see. We will see. To be determined. But Alexia, so just a warning to all of our listeners. The TH sound is very difficult. It does not exist in Portuguese. And just physically, it's a weird, difficult sound to make. And
Sim, quando eu conheci o Foster, eu não sabia falar o TH. E olha que eu sempre aprendi inglês, sempre nunca tive problemas com inglês, e aí ele um dia me falou que eu não falava direito o som do TH, e foi quando minha vida realmente mudou, é o antes e depois do TH.
olha, gente, só demorou 3 anos. E
Ei,
um
ei,
relacionamento internacional
nem
é
vem que
muito
eu
fácil.
aprendi isso em menos de 6 meses.
Não, menos de 6 semanas, amor. Nossa, isso é
Sim,
rápido.
verdade.
Okay, so let's go. When I think about sounds, I always like to think about where they occur in words. And the easiest thing to do with the TH is to think about the TH at the beginning, then the TH in the middle of words, and then the TH at the end. So, in general, the TH at the beginning is a lot easier because you have a little bit more time to think. And then the TH at the end is much more difficult because you're having to make that sound very, very quickly.
Cool.
Ready to go?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so just repeat with me. This,
This,
that,
that,
them,
them,
then,
then,
they,
they,
think,
think,
thing,
thing,
thanks.
thanks.
Perfect. Can you hear the difference between think and thing?
Yes, I can.
Yeah. So think, like pensar, ends with the k sound. So think, I'm thinking about something. And then thing ends with the g sound. So that's the difference between a voiced and unvoiced consonant. We talk all about it in sound school. But great job, Alexia, in the beginning. I don't think you have any problems, right?
Thank you.
Thank you. Perfect example.
Aham.
And just a little reminder, the TH, all you're doing is putting your tongue outside of your mouth and biting your tongue.
Sim, então botar a língua pra fora da boca e morder, literalmente.
Sim, literalmente. E o erro mais comum que eu sempre vejo é que o brasileiro tem a tendência de fazer o som do F, em que você está mordendo o seu lábio ao invés da língua. Faz sentido
Ó,
isso?
eu vou falar agora. Esse é o correto, que é thanks, e o com som do F, que é como a maioria das pessoas fazem, é think.
Yeah,
Então é
exactly.
think, think.
Exactly. Exactly. Cool, cool. So let's try in the middle of words. So repeat with me, Alexia. Mother,
Mother,
brother,
brother,
father,
father,
bathroom,
bathroom,
athlete,
athlete,
toothpaste.
toothpaste.
One more time, toothpaste.
O que que eu tô fazendo de errado?
Just say it one more time. Toothpaste.
Toothpaste. Agora eu fiquei nervosa. Espera aí.
Okay, just start with the word tooth.
Tooth,
Teeth.
teeth,
Toothpaste.
toothpaste.
Yeah, nice. You know, we kind of cheat a little bit when we have a very fast turnaround. So we have to say tooth, my tongue is out of my mouth, and then immediately we have to make the P sound and say paste. So we say toothpaste. Sometimes it's not like I'm fully biting my tongue, there's still some air coming out. So it's a lot faster. Toothpaste.
Yes, toothpaste.
Nice. Great job. Great job. Any questions with those in the middle of the word?
Não, é a mesma coisa do que no começo, colocar a língua pra fora e deixar o ar sair.
Exactly. Exactly. So at the end of the word, that's where it starts getting really difficult. And a way I love to practice this is just using what we call cardinal numbers. So like Roman numbers. So when we say fourth,
Fourth.
so we have first, second, third, easy, and then we get to fourth. And that's fourth. Ja, era, né? So repeat with me. Say fourth,
Fourth,
fifth,
fifth,
sixth,
sixth,
seventh,
seventh,
eighth,
eighth,
ninth,
ninth,
10th.
10th.
Okay, so I want you to start with 4 and go to 10 using the same thing we just did with the TH.
Então, fazer a mesma coisa que eu acabei de fazer.
Sim, mas
Ah, tá.
você sozinho.
Ah, tá. Vamos lá. 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th.
Nice, nice. It's really nice with the microphone. You can hear that you're biting it, and I can hear exactly. I wish all my students had professional microphones so I can really hear exactly what they're doing. So one more time,
Ah,
try to say it really fast. 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th.
é difícil falar rápido. Vamos lá. 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. É muito difícil falar rápido.
Perfect. No, that's perfect. It seems like you're about to have a panic attack, though. Like fourth,
Aham.
fifth, sixth, seventh. Yeah. So you want to make this something that happens naturally and something that you can do in conversation. But in order to do that, you got to start with the basics, right?
É.
You got to get on the bike before you start, biking down a mountain or some
É, uma vez que
analogy.
você aprende a andar de bicicleta, você nunca esquece. Então, é isso.
É, mas no seu caso, às vezes você realmente não sabe andar de bicicleta.
Bom, é isso? Acabou o meu super desafio?
Eu ia deixar para amanhã algumas frases mais complicadas.
Tá bom, a gente faz então amanhã.
Tá bom, então até amanhã, Alexia.
Thank you, Foster. It was awesome.
Thanks. No problem. I'll see you tomorrow.
Oi, pessoal, espero que vocês tenham gostado de mais um episódio do Inglês Micro Rádio e eu tô aqui para falar uma coisa bem rapidinha. Sound School 4.0 vai reabrir já já e você que está interessada no melhor curso de pronúncia especializado para brasileiros desse mundo, desse Brasilzão, vá lá no inglesnoicru.com e inscreva-se já. E fique por dentro de todas as novidades e a data específica que nós vamos abrir, tá? Não come mosca. So, as always,
Keep up the good fight and lose well.